Here we have a beautiful 1979 Jeep CJ5 restoration done here at the JeepHut. All brand new paint, total frame off restoration. Everything on it is either restored or brand new. Best top, super top. It's got a 304. New tailgate, custom tailgate chains to match the originals. Everything's been accented in chrome. Rampage rear tube bumper and front bumper. Dual Flowmaster exhaust. And the sides got Rugged Ridge standard high back seats. Interior's lined with bed liner. All new seat belts. Customer takes delivery today. He's doing his own custom radio, so we left that out. Otherwise, we would have put in a radio for him. Again, everything's accented in chrome. Everything on this thing is either fully restored or brand new. Got your 304. Let's hear it run real quick. We're going to go ahead and fire her up. And there she is. Completely finished, ready for pickup today at the JeepHut. If you need a restoration, give us a call, 706-692-5488, or visit us online, www.thejeephut.com. We'd love to help you with any of your Jeep needs, whether it's an old CJ, Willis, or a brand new 2015 or 16 JK. We got what you need. Thank you.